them. I'm going to clone it just above the, be careful so you don't actually cut the stem, just like that, and take up in the middle, above the
cup and knife.
And look at this cloned chili plant. Wow, look at this. All I need to do, give a nice drink. This can go onto the windowsill.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan 2020 part 20. I am your host Akibullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
In this episode, we'll be showing you how to clone chili plant or pepper plant straight from this chili plant.
We'll be showing you a technique how to clone a chili plant just in 3 weeks and with a 100% success rate. So without further ado, Akib,
Let's start cloning chilies.
let's start cloning chilies.
We have overwintered this plant from last year, and mashallah, as you can see, there's lots of chilies on this plant. We kept the seeds from this plant, but unfortunately we lost the seeds.
We lost the seeds, so we really love these chilies and we want to get more chilies out of this chili plant. The only way we could do that
It's by cloning it.
by cloning it. So we decided we're going to be cloning this chili plant. Exactly 3 weeks ago, we've cloned this chili plant on the plant, and mashallah, we have a successful cloned chili plant, exactly same as this, and it has chilies
Some
on them.
chilies.
So I'm hoping in about 3 weeks time, 3 to 4 weeks time, this chili plant will grow as this size with plenty of chilies.
So don't skip. Watch the video till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe.
These chili plants we overwintered from last season, and we are in the month of July, and we have plenty of chilies on these plants. We saved about 10 of them. Just in case you missed that video, I made a video on how to overwinter chili plants. It's a fantastic video to watch. It's worth watching that video. If you're growing chilies, you could save your chili plant from next year. To clone a chili plant, we would need 2 plastic cup, a see-through plastic cup, and a Stanley knife, and your favorite chili plant. So we're going to find a nice stem, and we're going to clone it just above the leaf nod. I don't know whether you can see this, where the leaves comes out, and there's a nod here on the stem. We're going to peel the skin off about an inch above it, and about an inch all around. So I'm going to take an inch off that stem. So I'm going to be using a sharp Stanley knife, and I'm going to be cutting around that leaf nod. When I say cutting, you want to cut around it, not too deep, so that we can take the skin off. So we'll have a 2 cut. 1 cut about an inch above the leaf nod, and then another inch above the cut. And we'll cut it around, and then we'll peel the skin off. So using the knife, you want to cut around it. You need to be careful so you don't actually cut the stem. You just want to peel off the skin. Okay, so that's the first cut. And now I'm going to cut just above that, an inch above that. Just take the knife around it so they meet up on the other side. You need a delicate hand for this. Okay, now peel the skin off. Just like that. Now we've cut above that nod leaf, an inch above it, and then we cut around that stem, an inch above that we cut again, and we peel the skin off that stem. Quite simple, but you need a delicate hand for this. Okay, so now we need 2 plastic cup, and we need to cut the plastic cup right in the middle here, and take it down to the bottom here, only halfway to the bottom, just there. And you want to sort of So you want to cut the plastic cup in the middle and then sort of create a hole right in the middle somewhere here on the both plastic cup. Okay, something like this. So you want to cut with the sharp scissors and sort of create a hole right in the middle here. So this is where the stem is going to go into. This cup around the stem. Slip the cup through that cut. Put the stem inside. And make sure the bottom is just above the leaf node. So just above the leaf node. Turn that around, and then we're going to put this cup around the other cup so that it doesn't come off. Just like that. So the cups is above the leaf node, but the cut should be inside the cup. Now we're going to put some compost into this cup. Just keep the stem in the middle and put compost around the stem into the cup.
Why not try it out? It was very simple. All I need to do now is water the cup. Give the cup a nice drink. Hopefully after 3 weeks we'll have a new plant from this chili plant.
After about 3 weeks, check the cup, plastic cup, the see-through cup, and see if you can notice roots coming out. If you can see the roots coming out, your clone has you have cloned the chili plant successfully. What you need to do, get a clipper and cut under the plastic cup or the stem. Oh wow, look at this cloned chili plant. And guess what? I have plenty of chilies on this stem. 3 weeks ago there were no chilies on them, but now we have plenty of chilies on it. Now let's take these cups out. Oh wow, look at this beautiful root. Look at these beautiful roots coming out. Wow, look at this. All I need to do, put this in a pot, and hopefully in another 3 or 4 weeks time we'll have a big plant about 3 foot tall. This is amazing. Right, now it's time to plant this chili plant into a bigger pot. Now we're using a 9-inch pot for this. Carefully take the plastic cup out without disturbing the root, and then place it nicely into the pot. And make sure water it properly. Give a nice drink. Now this can go onto the windowsill, and hopefully in a few weeks time, 3 to 4 weeks time, this plant should grow up to this plant. Make sure you fertilize properly. Now, just in case you missed our video, we made quite a few videos on how we grow our chilies and the type of fertilizer that we use on our chili plants. I'll leave the link in the description down below. We'll also leave the video that we've overwintered this plant. It's very interesting, so maybe after this video have a look at those videos.
I hope you are sharing my videos. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.